Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the chapter 1 Be Prepared by Ruskin Bond. So, children, this incident is of Ruskin Bond's child life when he joined Scout, whose motto was Be Prepared, due to which he was worried because in habit of doing every work at last moment. But most of his time was spent in canting. So rumor was spread that he is a good cook. But actually he never cooked anything. So due to the rumor, he owned cooker badge and maid supply in charge of food. In summer, Mr. Oliver took scouts for expedition to mountain a few miles outside Shimla. Expedition means to go for any research or explore in a forest or any place. So children, in the scout there were 20 students. In the first night, when they reached the forest, the children were asked to prepare the food. Everyone were doing some or the other work. Some were peeling the potatoes, skinning onions, shelling peas and pounding masalas. Then everybody asked Bond what to do next. He told to put everything in a big vessel. Vessel means tikchi, and put a half a tin of ghee and add some nettle leaves and cook for half an hour. After cooking, when everybody tasted it, they found something was lacking in food. Then Bond said, there it needs some salt, but still something was lacking. Then he ordered to add a cup of sugar and a bottle of tomato sauce. Then dish was a great success. Even Oliver enjoyed eating, and this was named Bond Bhujia. Next day, Mr. Oliver took them to teach tracking. After half an hour, he walked into the forest, leaving a trail of broken twigs, pine cones and chestnuts behind him. They were asked to follow the trail until he found them. Unfortunately, children mistrail into the forest. But when they were distracted by a pool of clear water, and they jumped in and out and played energetically in the sunshine. After some time, they felt very hungry, so they returned and cooked some food with few more variations. It was growing dark. Then children were worried about Mr. Oliver. At that time only he came back. He was waiting for the children at the far end of the forest, and when the children did not reach, he decided to return but got lost in the gathering gloom. Gloom means it was growing dark. Finally, the villager helped him back to the camp. Mr. Oliver got very angry and took all the badges after half an hour when they were going to sleep. Mr. Oliver asked if they had any food. Children said no. everything is finished. Then Mr. Oliver asked Bond to cook him something. But Bond denied and said, "Sir, you have taken my badge. How can I cook?" He said, "Okay, take it back." Then Bond went and cooked special omelette for him. Meanwhile, the bear entered into the tent where our stores were kept and created havoc with all our things, even rolling our biggest dikchi down the hillside. The most funny part of this camping was when it came out in Mr. Oliver's dressing gown. And though they were a troop of brave little scouts, they thought it was better to let the bear keep its gown. So children, you know, no video can take the place of book. So you have to read the chapter and write down new words in your notebook. Thank you. God bless you all.